Hello and welcome. In the Bulk Gun 45 pack, you get 6 quick change screw top nozzles. You also get the Easy Clean BG45 and step down thread adapter, as well as a long reach nozzle, giving you up to 9 inches of reach. Here we have the gun. Please note that the ball joint as manufactured will not move. However, what makes this product unique is that when you purge the gun with a thin viscosity product, the ball joint becomes lubricated by the product that's being dispensed. Here we have the ball joint movement. However, if you are using a thick viscosity product, the ball joint will remain static. Thanks for showing interest in our product.